everything I know, everything I understand. Okay, VOI is the same with pivot table.
Okay.
At least it have two dimension. Okay, like you see in here. This is a VOI. This is a VOI dimension. First dimension is gender. Sorry. First dimension is staff style. You see? And second dimension is gender.
Yeah.
You see? This is a VOI. Very simple VOI.
So VOI is like you have two dimensions compared.
At least,
yeah.
At least two dimension. Okay. Now.
You want to tell me this one?
Okay. Now example. I want to know the VOI. Have the third dimension is room. Room they working. Okay. Okay. Now I will insert in here example data. Room. Okay. 1106. That's the example. Okay. 1107 and 1108. Okay, like this. Now I want room dimension to here. I add room. Wait a minute to load. No problem with you. Yeah, you see, this is the room dimension. This is a staff type dimension. Okay, and gender dimension is still the same. Okay, this boy have three dimension. Now I want change the dimension room to gender. I only move here to here. You see, room dimension and gender dimension. If I want
sorry มาแน่นอนเนี่ย I have to ต้องไปให้เขาสอนเขาทำอธิบายหน่อยเพราะว่ามันโดนรีเจ็ค I need to go now.
Okay. If I want room dimension before gender dimension, I move room before gender like this. You see?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. The logic is the logic of void is total cell of void is total value of dimension multiply with total value of dimension. Every total value of every dimension multiply each other. Okay. Now I example. Create new. ZD dimension 1, dimension 2, and dimension 3. ZD number. ZD wait. How to say? I don't know. Roman number. You know?
Yeah.
Okay. ZD4 and ZD5, right? And ZD upper text. Yeah. capitalize that together. Okay. Okay, you see in here. First dimension have 5 value, right? Second dimension have 5 value, and third dimension have 3 value. Okay, total cell in here is this one multiply with this one multiply with this one. Okay, 75 cell. Okay, now I will create a void. Okay, number like this, and I want this is this transport. Okay.
Yeah, this one, I think this one is like the most hardest one.
Huh?
It's like the most hardest part.
Huh.
It's like if you have like this one is like 3 dimension,
Huh.
how you gonna structure the dimension?
We have a lot of way to create a structure, and like you see in here, you can easy to change.
Put in the
Yeah, easy to change. You can move from here to here, and from row to column, from column to row, everything you want. Depend on your experience. Okay. If you practice a lot, you will know how to make the best structure, the best structure.
yeah.
Easy to transpose, easy to swap it. Okay.
Okay.
Back to here. Now I need from 1 to 5 Roman number. Okay, I will copy and transpose. Here like this. Okay, and okay, I will change the color, easy to understand. Okay, now this is a void. Now I will make the value for on cell in here is and this and this should be this one first. A9 and sorry, and this and this. Okay, this is one cell, right? Okay, now copy by column. I will keep the 0, keep the, yeah. Okay, and copy. Yeah. Okay. Oh, A5. Okay. Here should be chain like this. I will explain here. This is the actual value, but when I show to the report, I must like this, more easier to see, to understand. Okay. Yeah, I will hide this column. Okay.
Okay.
And continue. I will make the formula like this. Okay. Now for the row, I will do like this. I will fix A column and C column like this. You see? Now I copy for whole range, whole table like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you see here 75 value. Okay. That is a simple VOI.
So, but at like the detail in that inside it don't have to be like filling every single one, right?
Again.
Sometimes if we don't have like for this one we have a result for all the cases, right? But if we don't have the result,
Public.
yeah. So it can be blank.
Can be.
Okay.
Can. Blank is a value in nothing,
Okay.
right? Null. Okay. And now you can change to other report. Yeah. Example here I have 4 dimension, and here this is a way to design 4 dimension. First way, the second way, third way, and another way. Depend on your experience. Okay, and that is how to say the one way the same with one way chip and round chip. Sometimes we can draw a VOI based on the value. Okay, here I show you 5 value: 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B, and 5E. Okay, please draw a VOI based on the value. Okay, now I will separate the text, right? The number. Okay, then I draw a VOI have 2 dimension, 1, 2, 3, 5, and A, B, C, D, E like this. Okay, and I put the value I have from first to here. After that, I can find another value don't have in first. You see, this is the first value I give you, and after I draw a VOI like this, I have big picture for all like this. I find this one and this one, a lot of value. That is the logic. This logic very good for you when you don't have the big picture. You only know the detail value, some detail value, and from the detail value you can draw a big picture.
Yeah, this one is very good.
Okay.
Can you share this file for me?
Yeah, easier. I will send you in Messenger. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have any question?
No. It is. I think it's more clear when you say it's like pivot, and it's like compare between dimension and dimension.
Yeah.
Because other people didn't say this, so it's a bit like it's blur for me, like not clear. I can't imagine. But I know from the first, I don't understand, but I saw the other people doing the VOI, and I just know that they do like a dimension and dimension. But when you say it's like it's more clear.
One more thing you need to remember. Example, this is the text. Okay. In fact, sometimes the column, this is the text every value in this must be the text. Example, this is a number. The condition, this is a number. Okay. Every value in this column must be the number.
So it's like the voice can be all number and can be all text.
Yeah. In one voice. Okay. You can see here a lot of voice you see in fact. Here, this is a void data. You see, this is the dimension, and this is a value, right?
Yeah.
This void have one dimension. Not sure. But okay. Example, all the code is a number, only number in this column. All the time is text, only text in this column. Example, with time, only time in this column. Cannot different time. Okay. That's all. Done.